Ever felt a sharp pain or shock when sipping something cold or hot? That's tooth sensitivity. But what causes it and what we can do about it? Let's break it down. Our teeth have three layers. The outermost layer, enamel, is the shield of the tooth. When it is weared down, it exposes the inner layers which reacts to temperature changes. So when you drink something hot or cold, the sensation reaches the pulp inside the tooth, triggering the thrives and causing the painful jolting sensation. So there are three main reasons for tooth sensitivity. The first one is the faulty brushing, and this becomes the main reason for almost every sensitivity. Rough brushing can wear down enamel. In fact, 75% of sensitivity causes are due to poor brushing techniques. So the second option is the acidic food and drinks. Excessive consumption of acidic food and carbohydrate drinks erodes the enamel. The third cause is the acid reflux. Issues like skipping meals or certain diet choices can increase acid in the body, leading to acid reflux, which can also erode enamel. Though rare, it's still a factor to consider. For faulty brushings, if there is a visible V-shaped cut on the teeth, filling it can help. Severe cases might need a crown for protection, but if you are just starting to feel sensitivity, here's how to prevent it. So, improve your diet, cut down on acid foods and avoid carbohydrate drinks, and choose a proper toothpaste. Avoid tooth whitening or charcoal toothpaste as they can make sensitivity worse. Sensitive toothpaste can be effective, but it's medicinal. Use it only once a day for 2 weeks and take a 2 months break. Overuse can numb the nerves and worsen the sensitivity, so use with proper care. You can reduce tooth sensitivity or avoid it altogether. Check out our video on brushing techniques linked below for even more tips to protect your smile and to know the proper brushing technique.